Last week, many of you will know that I had made a prediction or projections of the insurance registrations, thinking that Nio was gonna get to 8,000, but in fact, Nio's insurance registrations came at 7,400, which was slightly lower than to the 8,000 that I had projected. But look, I think Nio it's still on the road to getting 40,000 or plus 40,000 deliveries this month, because look, yesterday we celebrated Onvo reaching 100,000 deliveries, right? Which simply means that as of yesterday, probably the deliveries for Onvo alone have surpassed or have reached 10,000. And we've still got like what, 13 days to go. And in these last 13 days, we can get to see the same, if not better, deliveries of Onvo Sub-brand, which is something that of course we are waiting to see. And now if Onvo has already has 10,000 in the bag, where do you think Nio is at? Because this is also the first full month where we get to see the Nio ES8 doing its magic in terms of deliveries. I probably think that deliveries for Nio, it's also probably around the same where the Onvo deliveries are, because with the Nio Main brand, you know that it's not only the all new Nio ES8 that is selling well. There are also other models like the ET5 Touring that have been doing great work for Nio, and adding that ET5 Touring together with other Nio Main brand models, I think we can be sitting already at plus minus 10,000 of sales. This excludes Firefly, meaning that we just need to brace ourselves for what is coming, man. Because if these short sellers are complaining about still battery swapping stations, wait until you still about the battery as a service, wait until they see the massive deliveries that Nio is going to start reporting from now in October. I'm telling you, it's going to be the biggest game changer. I'm telling you, it's going to be so great, my dear friends. And I look forward, man. I look forward to what is coming. I look forward to the great news that are going to be unlocked. So going into this new week, I think insurance registration, it is easy. It will be easy for Nio to get to 10,000. I think it will be easy. I'm putting it out there. I'm putting my prediction, and it can go either or. It can be slightly lower, but I'm thinking where Nio is at, we can get 10,000. But let's wait. Let's see what transpires. But Tuesday's report, I think we are going to get to see 10,000 insurance registrations, and that will be the first sign that shows you the plus 40,000 deliveries that are coming onto Nio. There will be signs. Remember, I always say there will be signs. Before we get to the officially monthly deliveries, there will be signs. And guess what? Insurance registrations weekly, these are the signs, early signs that shows us what Nio could report at the end of the month. And this month could be the first month where we see Nio taking it even to the next level over that 34,000 cars that they sold for the month of September. You and me need to brace ourselves for what is coming. Short sellers, naysayers are trying, of course, to bring down the fire of Nio, but the Nio fire will not stop. Some of you guys made me realize something very important. There are some of the people that sometimes complain to say that I do a lot of videos every day, and maybe I should cut down. And I thank some of you guys. I thank some of you guys that are trying to also remind me that the very same shorts that always are out there trying to attack Nio, they will also do whatever they can to cut down the good news that we share onto YouTube or onto these kind of platforms like YouTube. So I will not stop, man. I will not be intimidated by the shorts or some of the comments that of people trying to make me stop share the Nio content. I'll keep on sharing this content like I've been sharing for the past 5 years, right? I'm gonna keep on sharing the content because I want all to celebrate one day when Nio share price it's up there at the all-time high of $66.99, heading towards $100. Nio to 100, that is what it's being sang at the streets of social media by the Nio bulls, and I also believe that Nio will get $200 per stock, and those that are taking these current low trading prices opportunities are going to be rewarded with time. Look, man, I know that some people might come and tell you that, or might try and pick up small things to try to make you lose focus onto Nio, liquidating, selling all of your positions onto Nio, and they are buying. And by the way, they go and buy those shares that you sold. It takes courage, and it takes some due diligence, and some videos like this on YouTube here that we continue dropping with my fellow Neo Lions, right, to ensure that obviously you guys get to be updated all the time, get to be motivated, encouraged all the time, know what you are holding. And of course, what we say here is not PR advice, right? These are just our opinions onto the stock, and we'll continue sharing our opinions based on what we are seeing out there onto Nio, based on what we are seeing in China. And my dear friends, please don't lose grip. In my personal opinion, I would say don't lose grip onto Nio, because we are about to be rewarded, right? We are about to be rewarded, Nio bulls. We've been on the stock for a long time. It has been a long time, man, holding on to this stock. I bought Nio for the first time in July of 2020, and I've been holding on. I have not sold any stock. I've been holding on because I've been believing that one day this company will take me to financial freedom, and I think we are almost on the finishing line, right? The short sellers, the naysayers, will let go of this stock, because the things that they are using to short this Nio stock, which is of course the net losses, which is of course Nio not being profitable, those things are about to fade away right now in Q4. And you better not lose grip, man, because Nio is about to take it to the next level. Nio deliveries are about to go to the next level, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price, taking the low trading price as an opportunity to increase or buy more shares, are going to be rewarded. And I hope you are on the Nio boat. I hope you are on the Nio train. I hope you are on the Nio rocket plane. We are going to the moon, man. And yeah, I know that some people will talk you out of Nio, but anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I mean, it hurts me seeing some of the people that were long onto Nio sometimes sharing some bad stuff that will of course make even people, or some few people, lose hope onto Nio. But don't lose hope when we are just 10-20 meters away from the finishing line. We have been onto this stock for some time. We were here when the Nio stock went down to $3.60. We are still here now, Nio trading at almost $7 per stock, and we'll be here until, right? But anyways, let me leave it here. Like, share, subscribe. That's all from me, and God bless you all.